Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with MyWyoStyle. I have been sick for a week, and I had to wait till I got my voice back for me to start videotaping again. But this tea really did help me, along with my borage and my yarrow tea. A great friend of mine and her Asian family always made this lemon peel and honey fermented goodness. This is my dehydrated ginger, and if you can handle a clove of garlic, this is so good for you. And cayenne pepper will help thin the mucus and stimulate your sinuses. But best of all, if you have a friend like I do with Rhonda, she bought me this steeping teacup, and it has a strainer and a lid that you can use to pull out the strainer, shake it dry, and then set it on the lid. Just like this, just in case you're in the bedroom or living room. Now let me show you how to make this tea. You'll want to get a garlic press and press out a clove of garlic. Now I am going to use about a teaspoon of this dehydrated ginger, and all I do is run it through the food processor and put it in my dehydrator to dry. Depending how hot you can handle heat of a pepper, I usually put in quite a few sprinkles in my tea because I like it spicy. Now pour some boiling water over the top of these items. Place your lid on and steep 5 to 10 minutes. I am also going to put a few sprigs of this rosemary in. I haven't had my rosemary tea today, so I'm going to add it to this flu balm, but you don't have to. It's for cognitive health. It's been about 10 minutes, so now I'm going to add a spoonful of my lemon honey syrup. Look how much this has bloomed. Now, if you don't like the lemon peel in your tea, you can always add this to your tea before you pull it out and strain it. To make the lemon peel honey, all you have to do is grind up some lemon peel, put it in a jar, and add enough honey to cover it and let it stand on the counter for 3 days to ferment, and then keep in the refrigerator. This is years old. I just add more lemon peel and honey. I hope that you don't have to drink a flu balm this year and your health is in perfect order. But if you need to, this is so refreshing, and it helps sore throats, open up your sinuses, and give you all the immunities to help you stay healthy and strong. Thank you for watching the video, and as always, may God bless you.